Okay, so I'm using a medium-sized potato, right? So first thing is to take out the skin, peel it off, right? If you have those fancy peelers, you can use that, but I don't, so I'm using a knife to do the job. Then after that, I cut them into smaller sizes that will enable it to cook faster and of course help with the mashing. Then I put just enough water to cook it. And when it's done, I remove the potatoes, put them in a plate. You can use a potato masher rather, but I'm using fork because I don't have that. So you mash it enough to, you know, make it very smooth and soft. And then if you have at this point if you have some people put some other things like some recipes you can add salt, you can add a little pepper like black pepper, very little, you can even add butter, but this is just a very simple recipe that I'm making here. So that is just milk. This is cow milk. So I'm using cow milk because my baby takes it very well and she's not allergic and she's fine with it. So but you can also use formula or even breast milk. So you add just enough depending on the consistency you want. I didn't want it to be very thin, but you can thin it out with more milk or more, you can even use water, or more formula. But I just needed just enough to make it the way I wanted it to be, you know. And yes, that's it. So when you've gotten a very smooth consistency, very smooth paste, I mean, you are good to go. Voila, that's it.